Hey guys, I'm guessing that some of you guys might recognize this mask. It's incorrectly known as a GP5 mask, though that officially only refers to the filter. It's pretty much the cheapest mask you can get, though it has one major flaw: the filter. The charcoal pretty much has turned into powder and there are trace amounts of asbestos, so you'd never really want to use it. But the price is almost unbeatable. I bought this one for €3, which is almost nothing. Unfortunately, you can't use NATO filters in these, as the thread pitch and diameter are slightly different. Even though they're both known as 40mm, you just can't screw one of these on, unless you have an adapter. Now, I've never seen one of those in a store, but if you have a printer, that really doesn't matter, you can just print your own. So let's design and make an adapter. And there it is, the end result. Now the threading on the outside is GOST threads and the inside is standard NATO. Screws on just fine and it feels about as tight as a filter. It's a pretty small part, so the printing time wasn't too bad, like 3 hours with a slow print speed and set to 0.2mm layer height. Now that's a working adapter. Let's see if that has a proper seal. I know the mask is a bit on the small side for me. I can breathe just fine, and let's see if it seals. It creates a vacuum, so it works. Now it isn't as comfortable as a Western mask, but if it's all you have, it's way better than nothing. Possibly did have to do a voiceover, as the mask doesn't even have a voice diaphragm. It just comes off just fine. Now I'll put the file in the comments. I'd recommend the softer plastic, as it seals better. And it's actually pretty useful, as it makes a mask like this safe to use. Now if you like it, please like and subscribe, and I do plan on making more content like this in the future.